In this video, we'll walk you through the Analytics page in Evlop, where you can track how your customers are engaging with your mobile app. We're at the Evlop mobile app landing page. And now let's go to the Analytics page. This is the Analytics page. But at the moment, it says Firebase not configured. You can go to the Firebase configuration and follow the help article to configure Firebase and Google Analytics connection. Once the connection is complete, this is the overview page, the very first screen you'll see whenever you open your analytics. Here are the other analytics pages you can explore, and this is where you can select the timeline of your analytics data. Right at the top of the overview page, you can track vital performance indicators like total sales and sessions to gauge growth, alongside active users and bounce rate to understand how effectively you are retaining your audience. The revenue trend graph is the best way to see what's working. It visualizes your sales patterns over time, so you can easily spot your biggest peaks and see exactly how your latest campaigns are driving growth. The user activity heat map shows when your customers are most active during the week. This helps you time your push notifications and campaigns for when people are actually using their phones, making the campaigns more effective. The new versus returning users chart shows how your audience is growing. You can hover over the segments to see the exact number of people who are visiting for the first time versus those who are coming back to your app. The sessions by source chart helps you understand where your traffic is coming from. It breaks down whether users are opening your app through push notifications, deep links, or direct visits, so you can see which channels are most effective at bringing people back. The Sessions by Platform chart gives you a clear look at your user base split between iOS and Android. Knowing which devices your customers prefer helps you understand your audience better and ensures your app experience is meeting their needs on both platforms. Here we complete the overview. Let's go to the Revenue page. On the Revenue tab, you'll find a detailed breakdown of your store's financial performance. At the top, you can track your total revenue and total orders, alongside your conversion rate and average order value. These four metrics give you a clear picture of how much revenue your app is generating and how effectively it's turning visitors into customers. The Orders Over Time graph tracks your daily order volume. It's a helpful way to see how consistent your sales are and identify specific days when your app experienced a surge in orders. The Daily Revenue Performance graph lets you visualize your earnings day by day. This helps you understand your revenue patterns and see exactly how much your app is contributing to your business every single day. That covers our revenue data. Now, let's move over to the Acquisition page. On the Acquisition page, you can see how effectively you're bringing people into your app. This top section tracks your active users and new users acquired during your selected timeframe, along with your daily engagement rate and the average number of sessions per user. These numbers give you a quick health check on how many people are discovering and interacting with your app. The Daily Active Users trend provides a day-by-day look at your unique user count. This bar chart makes it easy to see which days of the week your app is getting the most traction, helping you understand your audience's routine. And the App Installs by Platform breaks down your new installs by device type. You can see exactly how many people are downloading your app on iOS versus Android. The User Registration trend tracks how many new accounts are being created over time. This is a great way to measure how well you're converting casual visitors into registered users who are ready to shop. Finally, the App Open Sources chart shows you how users are actually accessing your app, whether they're clicking through a deep link, a push notification, or opening it directly. This helps you see which of your marketing channels is doing the heavy lifting. Now that we've seen how users find you, let's head over to the Retention page to see how well they're sticking around. The Retention page focuses on long-term growth and customer loyalty. At the top, you can monitor your active users alongside your returning users, which shows how many people are coming back after their first visit. You can also track your repurchase rate and customer lifetime value, giving you a clear picture of the total value your app is creating over time. Below, the Session Patterns chart provides a daily breakdown of your traffic. It distinguishes between new sessions and returning sessions, helping you visualize how consistently your existing customer base is engaging with your app compared to new visitors. Finally, let's head to the Customer Journey tab for a complete look at how your customers are interacting with your app. The Customer Journey page shows you exactly how users move through your sales funnel. Here, at the top, you can track total product views and total add to carts, alongside your view to cart rate and overall purchase rate. These metrics help you see where shoppers are most engaged and how effectively your app is driving sales. The Most Viewed Products chart highlights which items are catching your customers' eyes. This helps you identify trending products and understand what's currently drawing the most interest within your app. In the Most Added to Cart section, you can see which products are moving closest to a purchase. Tracking these items helps you understand which products have the highest intent and are successfully driving users toward checkout. The Most Added to Wishlist chart reveals which products your customers are eyeing for future purchases. This is a great way to gauge long-term interest and identify items that shoppers are waiting for the right moment to buy. And finally, the Best-Selling Products section shows you which items are actually driving your revenue. Seeing your top-performing products helps you understand what's resonating most with your audience and where your biggest sales are coming from. With these powerful analytics insights, you have total visibility into your app's performance. From tracking daily revenue to understanding the unique journey of every customer, Evlop provides the data you need to make informed decisions and grow your business. Use analytics to make smarter decisions and grow your mobile channel. Install Evlop to get started.